Good morning, everyone. I am Charmel Akira Ritardo, and I will be the first reporter. And let's talk about environmental crisis and sustainability. The environmental crisis and sustainability are complex topics that involve various aspects such as climate change, biodiversity loss, pollution, resource depletion, and social justice.
So, good morning, sir. I am Shalame Estago. Here are some key points related to this area. So, the number one is climate change. This is one of the most pressing issues facing our planet. It refers to the long term changes in temperature, precipitation pattern, and other climate indicators, largely driven by human activities such as burning fossil fuel and deforestation. Climate change, as a pressing global concern, encompasses the significant and enduring alteration in temperature, precipitation pattern, and various climate indicators that are predominantly influenced by human activities. The primary driven of climate change are the extensive burning of fossil fuel and the widespread deforestation practices that result in the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, trap heat and contribute to the warming of the Earth's surface, leading to a range of environmental impacts. Mitigating climate change involves transitioning to renewable energy sources, reducing greenhouse gas emission, and adopting sustainable practices in industry like agriculture and transportation. Mitigating climate change requires a multifaceted approach that involves transitioning from fossil fuel to renewable energy sources. Renewable energy, including solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, offer sustainable alternatives that produce minimal greenhouse gas emission by shifting toward these cleaner energy sources. Societies can reduce their carbon footprint and listen the overall impact on the climate change. Uh, Additionally, reducing greenhouse gas emission is crucial in combating climate changes. This involves implementing policies and practices that limit the release of harmful gases into the atmosphere. Measures such as improving energy efficiency, promoting public transportation, and enhancing waste management can all contribute to lowering emission and mitigating the effect of climate change. Furthermore, adopting sustainable practices across industry like agriculture and transportation is essential for addressing climate change. Sustainable agriculture techniques such as organic farming and agroforestry help reduce carbon emission, preserve biodiversity, help reduce carbon emission, preserve sustainable agriculture techniques such as organic farming and sustainable agriculture techniques such as organic farming and agroforestry help reduce carbon emission, preserve biodiversity, and promote soil health. In the transportation sector, advancement in electric vehicle, public transportation infrastructure, and urban planning can contribute to reducing emission and creating more environmentally friendly mode of travel. In conclusion, addressing climate change requires a comprehensive and coordinated effort at individual, community, national, and global level. By transitioning to renewable energy sources, reducing greenhouse gas emission, and embracing sustainable practices, we can work toward a more sustainable future and mitigate the impact of climate change in our planet.
Biodiversity loss. This refers to the rapid decline in the variety and abundance of species in a specific area of globally. Biodiversity loss is caused by habitat destruction, pollution, overexploitation of resources, climate change, and invasive species. Protecting biodiversity involves preserving habitats, establishing protected areas, combating illegal wildlife trade, and promoting sustainable land uses practices.
Resource depletion. Humanity's consumption patterns have led to the depletion of natural resources such as water, forests, fisheries, and minerals. Sustainable resource management involves practices like sustainable forestry, water conservation, responsible fishing, and promoting circular economy principle. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Next is social justice. Environmental issues often disproportionately affect marginalized communities and vulnerable population. Achieving sustainability requires addressing social inequalities, promoting environmental justice, and ensuring equitable access to resources and opportunities for all.
Renewable energy, transitioning from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, hydroelectric, and geothermal power is crucial for reducing carbon emissions and combating climate change. Supporting research and development in clean energy technologies is key to accelerating this transition. Renewable energy comes from unlimited, naturally replenished resources such as the sun, tides, and wind. Renewable energy can be used for electricity generation, space and water heating, and cooling and transportation. Education and awareness. Raising awareness and educating people about environmental issues, sustainable practices, and the importance of conservation is fundamental for fostering a global culture of sustainability, encouraging individuals, communities, business, and governments to take action and make environmentally conscious choices is essential for a sustainable future. Education designed to enhance knowledge, attitudes that can help to avoid various online risks and ensure appropriate internet use. Education can contribute to a better awareness of the root causes of conflicts, violence, and peacelessness by helping people to understand the complex nature of these problems. It can also help to increase understanding of the different perspective that people have on these issues.